Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot your internet connection problems with Chrome. For a regular Google Chrome user, a useful tool to help you with fixing network issues is an app called Chrome Connectivity Diagnostics. The app is officially developed by Google, so there is no need to worry. I did have an issue searching for it in the Chrome Web Store, so the best and quickest way is to use a direct link. After installing the app from the Chrome Web Store, you can start it from the Chrome App Launcher. Click the plus icon on Chrome browser, click the app's text in the bookmarks bar. Click the icon that looks like a heart rate monitor. A new window will open. It will start running a test on your web browser. Hopefully the test will return only green check marks. However, Chrome Connectivity Diagnostics will let you know when there's a problem. You can also click on each one to get more information. Finally, you can click the gear icon in the upper right corner. This allows you to hide passing tests and rerun tests. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.